Hi friends, Keisha Shepard here, teacher, writer, and blogger at whispersfromtheridge.weebly.com. Today I'm going to be sharing another strategy to generate some writing. I'm going to share a poem that I wrote using that strategy and then offer you an invitation to write. Today's strategy I wanted to share is making a list. Lots of ideas can come from making a simple list. I often will start with my magnet topic list. And I call them magnet topics because these are topics and ideas that I am attracted to and I can write about over and over again. So my topics are never used up. For instance, on my magnet topic list, I might have birds, the moon, nature, things like that. Those are all topics that I can come back to again and again, and they're never used up for me. So you can start with that magnet topic list and then go from there. Choose one of those and then make another list that is specific to that topic. And that's sort of what I did with this poem that I'd like to share with you. Is I started to make a list of all of my thankfuls, and for me I call them blessings. And as I started jotting them down, I was able to go back over and look at that list, and it inspired a poem for me. So I'd like to read that to you now. It's called Blessed. I am blessed by the tranquil sunset. I am graced by the evening notes of redbird. I am loved by the New Year moon. What sadness to not have the blessing of the sun or the love of the moon. I notice these things. I praise these things. They deserve my lens of attention. So my invitation for you today is to think about how you might use this idea of generating a list. Maybe you start with a magnet topic list. Maybe you just start listing objects around your house or people or places or things that you love and go from there. Just try paying careful attention to those things around you and those topics that you're drawn to. And remember that topics are never used up. We can always find new ways to grow them. So whether you choose this strategy today or another one, or you might just begin picking up your pen and trusting that whatever comes is enough. Until next time, happy writing.